Founded in 1997 by Smith and wife Julia, Welocalize is a one-stop shop for companies seeking to translate their products and services. Companies such as Google, John Deere, Cisco, and others use Welocalize services to translate manuals for software, latest gadgets, classroom training modules, legal documentation, websites, and more. They also use their services to help translate their brands when expanding to international markets. Welocalize started with the task of translating one word, Pathfinder. Now, nearly 20 years later, the company has translated more than 1 billion words. Today, Welocalize employs over 600 worldwide, with offices in 13 different locations, including the UK, Ireland, Germany, Italy, China, and Japan. Everything the company does is driven by servicing global clients. Any particular week, you can find Smith somewhere around the world, meeting with prospective clients, training his employees, or searching for companies to acquire. Since 1997, they have acquired more than 14 companies. According to Smith, curiosity in this business is crucial. Translation is not a lifestyle business. There's pressure to meet deadlines, so you're constantly on the go, and working late hours is the norm. Recent results for Welocalize are indeed extraordinary. In a period of 3 years, the firm has gone from $80 million in annual revenues to an estimated $130 million. International accounts for 30% of the firm's operations. Welocalize's overall market share is still a very small fraction of what is today a $35 billion translation industry. To put things in perspective, every 6 months the internet content doubles, making it a huge potential for Welocalize and others in the industry. In 3 years, Smith envisions revenues that exceed $400 million, half through acquisition and half organic. Prior to starting Welocalize, Smith served in the U.S. Army as a field artillery officer and received the Bronze Star for service in Operation Desert Storm during the First Persian Gulf War. Smith earned his BA degree in English from Tulane University. He is actively involved in philanthropic efforts, serving on the advisory boards of the Rosetta Foundation, the Aslan Foundation, and Color Me a Cure Foundation. Smith is also an avid guitar player. According to Daniel Gray, Principal of Business Development and Sales Technology at Amazon Mechanical Turk, with over a decade in the localization industry and having worked with multiple CEOs, his experience with Smith has been hands down the best. Smith is the most visionary, hardworking, savvy, personable leader of them all.